Hi, it's me again, Minnie from K Hair Factory Vietnam. In the last video, we talked a lot about closures and frontals, and I hope that you can differentiate between them and know which one is the best for your clients. And in this video today, we're gonna talk about one of the main global sources of human hair, which is Indian, and also talk about raw Indian hair. So don't waste your time anymore. Let's jump into the intro right now. If you are running your own hair business and used to do some research with a topic like biggest hair vendor in the world, I'm sure that you will know something about Indian hair. But how much do you really know about it? This is the reason why I will start with the origin of Indian hair. So, Indian people often cut their hair in a temple for religious purposes, and the hair is kept in its virgin form. Over 20,000 people donate their hair each day at the one temple in South India. It means over 60 million pounds of hair are donated each year. Yes, it's 20,000 people each day, not each month or each year. So it is obvious that India is one of the biggest hair collection centers in the world. But the question here is that, is all of Indian hair really collected from temples? Not really. According to Irish Times, a part of the Indian hair is collected from slums. To earn more money, besides collecting plastic rubbish, women there try to collect their hair to sell to collectors. You can see this picture. These Indian women are sorting out their hair before selling it to the collectors. So, what are the props of raw Indian hair? The first one, price of Indian hair is quite cheap. As I mentioned before, Indian hair vendors have many sources with large amounts of hair per day. This results in price competition in the hair market. So naturally, price of Indian hair goes down and is cheaper than that of others. Number 2, raw Indian hair is naturally wavy. Indian hair is naturally soft, lightweight, and bouncy. So if you love the natural wavy hair, you should go for Indian hair. For those above features, it results in the third props, which is raw Indian hair is easy to style and curl. Okay, so what about the cons of raw Indian hair? The first one, Indian hair is mixed with unknown origin. You can notice that Indian human hair is quite thin, so it's not easy to make a full bundle. That's why Indian hair vendors often mix the hair of one person with another's. With a large amount of hair from temples every day, it's not quite hard to do it. The second one, raw Indian hair includes lots of gray and white strands. Indian workers need to really carefully separate the valuable black hair from the gray and white. In case this process isn't completed elaborately, bundles you buy will have lots of white and gray strands. And the third one, raw Indian hair is easy to become frizzy in bad weather and wet environments. So in this situation, you need to use anti-frizz products frequent to make sure your hair looks beautiful all the time. Through the above analysis, raw Indian hair has its own characteristics, including both pros and cons. So you need to see your client's needs and preferences carefully before purchasing. And yeah, if your target market is customers who want good quality and pay a reasonable amount of money for the high quality hair, Vietnamese hair extensions is a good choice for you. K Hair Vietnam is the leading hair supplier in the Vietnamese hair market. So you can contact me for support and advice. I will also leave my contact over there as usual. Okay, so this is the end of my video today. I hope via this video you guys can understand more clearly about raw Indian hair to consider choosing for your own hair business. And as usual, wherever you guys are, I hope you're safe. And don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel to watch more useful videos like this every week. Thanks for watching my video today. It's Minnie from Hair Factory Vietnam. See you next time. Bye!